안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today we will turn these into folded California rolls. First, let's make a delicious spicy mayo dressing that you can use for different kind of sushi. So, simply combine the mayonnaise, the ketchup, the sriracha hot chili sauce, and the paprika powder. Mix everything together. This sriracha sauce is the key flavor for this dressing. Next, we'll prepare 3 filling ingredients. Cut a seedless cucumber, oil, into the length of half of a sheet of dried labor, then cut it into thin slices like this. Shred these Korean crab sticks. 맛살. Let's prepare the avocado. By the way, do you know how to make avocados ripen in 1 or 2 days? I will share the tip at the end of this video, so please check it out. Now we will make the sushi rice. So mix the vinegar, 식초, the sugar, 설탕, and the salt, 소금. Stir it until all the sugar dissolves. Obtain the freshly cooked short grain rice, 쌀밥, and drizzle the vinegar mixture over it. Mix it gently and divide the rice into 4 portions like this. Prepare the dried labor for kimbap, kim. Cut halfway through the middle of the dried labor so that we can fold it later. Put the cucumber slices and next put 1 portion of crab meat on it and drizzle some of the spicy mayo dressing over it and then put some avocado slices next to the crab meat. Finally, spread 1 portion of the seasoned rice evenly in the last section. Now all we need to do is fold it like this. Please follow that order so that you will get the best result in shape and flavor. Gently press down on it to form the shape. To make it easier to eat and dip in soy sauce, 간장, I will cut it in half diagonally. Please try this delicious folded California roll recipe someday, and if you do, take some pictures and share them with me on Instagram or Facebook because I love to see your the pictures. Eddie's Kitchen's tips. If you want to ripen your avocados in 1 or 2 days like this, simply put them in a brown bag with a banana. Then you will get perfectly ripened avocados. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.